I'm Tess.
And I'm Ryan, and you're watching Bio-Brew with Tess and Ryan.
Today we're going to learn about fermentation. Fermentation is the anaerobic respiration that takes place in bacteria and yeast, even human muscle cells. It produces ATP when there is no oxygen available, providing energy for the cell. Fermentation is the oldest type of cellular respiration.
In fermentation, the two pyruvates made in glycolysis by a molecule of glucose are converted into either ethanol and CO2 or lactic acid. The two different products represent the two different types of fermentation.
Alcoholic fermentation is a dead-end process that produces ethanol and CO2. It occurs in bacteria and yeast. Bread, beer, and our product today, ginger ale, are made through alcoholic fermentation.
The other type of fermentation that occurs in animal cells and some fungi is lactic acid fermentation. This is a reversible process between pyruvate and lactic acid. This can be converted back into pyruvate in the presence of oxygen. Today we will explore alcoholic fermentation by the use of ginger ale.
Here are our ingredients.
1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon.
Okay, first off, using a funnel, we're going to put 1 cup of sugar into the 2-liter spray bottle.
Bam!
Next we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of yeast.
Bam!
And then we're going to shake it all up. Okay, now we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon and the ginger. So Ryan, why don't you juice the lemon?
Sure I will.
And I'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger.
Bam!
Alright, now that we've added the ginger and the lemon juice, we're going to shake it all up and fill it almost all the way up with water.
Bam!
You don't need to use carbonated water because the yeast and the glucose will produce alcoholic fermentation, which makes carbon dioxide and alcohol, but not enough to make the drink alcoholic.
Let the bottle sit for 24 to 48 hours. Keep feeling the outside of the bottle, and when it can no longer dent, there's enough CO2, and it's ready to drink.
Before drinking, filter out the ginger using a coffee filter.
Bam! Now, invite all your friends and drink some ginger ale.
Cheers.
The best damn ginger ale I've ever had. In fermentation, the two pyruvates made in glycolysis by molecule. The other type of fermentation that occurs in animals and some fungi is lactic.
Ingredients.
1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, the juice of 1 lemon, and that's it. And ginger. Where is the ginger?
Okay, first off, using a funnel, we're going to put 1 cup of sugar into the 2-liter spray bottle. This is taking a while. Almost all the way up with water.
Funnels are good use for pouring water into small necked bottles.
Before drinking, filter out the ginger using a coffee filter.
Ready? Now, invite all your friends and drink some ginger ale.
Cheers.
I'm ginger. Can we cheers again? Do it again.
I want to drink it.
There's a lot of
Chug it, chug, 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 chug.